It's Monday, July 18th, 2022. I'm Jonathan Lau, and this is 5 Minutes of Proof, a weekly analysis of the science behind ozone therapy. We're going to take a look at part 2 of Ozone, Ameliorates, Age-Related Oxidative Stress Changes in Rat Liver and Kidney, Effects of Pre- and Post-Aging Administration. So last week, we got to a certain point. We didn't get very far, and we're going to pick up from there. So starting here, we see that it says judicious ozone doses are capable of counteracting oxidative stress by inducing cellular adaptation to it. This phenomenon is known as oxidative preconditioning and occurs via certain physiological messengers that are created by ozone that activate numerous biological pathways. The ability of ozone oxidative preconditioning to improve the redox status has been observed in a wide range of pathologies. This is why it's challenging when we do a training class to teach on mechanism of action and to have clarity around exactly how ozone therapy works. When you have a treatment that works as a natural biological modifier, there are so many different reactions that are going on at the same time. We can't possibly enumerate all of them or understand how all of those reactions and secondary reactions are that are occurring are interacting and producing change. But little by little, we are finding things out as we move along that ozone provides oxidative preconditioning, just like maybe exercise does, and some other things, other types of treatments do as well. But let's keep going and let's see what they did in this particular study. So group 1 was kept without any treatment until the age of 15 months, so an older rat. And group 2 was the pre-aging ozone treated group, in which the rats were treated with ozone at a dose of 0.6 milligrams per kilogram twice weekly for the first 3 months, and then once per week till the age of 15 months. So they had a lot of treatments, once a week till the age of 15 months after those first couple of weeks. The volume insufflated mixture was approximately 5 mLs, okay? So 5 mLs rectal insufflation. The pre-aging oxygen control group received only oxygen in the same manner as group 2. Now, you'll note that actually the oxygen itself did a little bit to help precondition the rats as well, but not to the same level that ozone. Pre-aging administration of ozone efficiently decreased the level of hepatic MDA by 71% and renal MDA by 61%. So that is significant. It's something that we need to take note of here. So here you have the various groups and the differences in liver MDA and kidney MDA here. So post-aging oxygen, you see that's higher here. Liver MDA higher here. You see the age group, it's higher in, and pre-aging ozone is the lowest, you can see. So that's important. Similarly, post-aging ozone administration caused a significant reduction in the level of protein carbonyls, mounting to 40 and 21% in the liver and kidney. So you do have a response in the post-aging group, but not as significant as the pre-aging group. Pre-aging use of ozone markedly elevated the level of GSH or glutathione in both tissues, reaching about 179 and 200% of the age control values in the liver and the kidney, respectively. Notice that glutathione is a key element here when we talk about antioxidants and when we talk about oxidative stress. Both pre- and post-aging ozone administration induced a greater augmentation of liver GSH level than the oxygen control. Okay? So the present study may be the first to demonstrate significant effects of ozone administration in neutralizing chronic oxidative stress associated with aging in rat liver and kidneys using 2 experimental models. So this is interesting. This is of interest, should be of interest for all of us who are looking at ozone therapy. So it is a state obtained through judicious and controlled use of ozone that could trigger an acute and precisely calculated oxidative stress able to activate several biological processes leading to therapeutic benefits. We don't have time to talk about those therapeutic processes. In conclusion, the present study provides evidence of the promising effects of ozone therapy in neutralizing chronic oxidative stress. Okay, so that is it for today. It's been a little bit more than 5 minutes. We'll see you next week with another edition.